Hello everyone, welcome back to Ruthi Studios and Ruthi here. Look what I have here. The new amazing Alexa Echo Dot 4th generation released by Amazon recently. So today we are going to see the unboxing of this device, see what are the contents present inside the box, and we will see what are the features that this Alexa device is providing us. Also at the end we will have a fun chat with Alexa with some of the voice comments. Let's get started.
Hello guys, this is the new Amazon Alexa 4th generation Echo Dot device. Let's see the exterior outlook of the box first and then unbox it to see the contents that we are going to see inside the box. So here on the front we have Alexa is happy to help heading with some of the basic or the most used Alexa commands. And coming to the other side we have a clean good looking Amazon Echo Dot image with clock showing the current time. So this is a clocked version, and Amazon has also released a similar device with lesser price which doesn't have a clock on its speaker grill. And coming to the price difference, I got this Echo Dot with clock for around 4200 rupees, and the non-clocked version is 1000 rupees less than this clocked version. So the difference between the two versions is just a clock displayed on the speaker grill. Everything remains the same. So coming to the opposite side, all the list of features present in it like the LED display, Bluetooth, hands-free Alexa were listed, and below there is a list of some of the compatible services like Amazon Prime Music, Gaana, Audible, Wipro, and even Chuchu TV itself. So that's all about the exterior overview, and it's time to open it up and dig inside and see what are the contents present inside the box. Let's start. So upon opening the lid itself, there are images showing Amazon Alexa app in a smartphone and a 4th generation Alexa device with power adapter connected to it. And next we have the device itself here nicely sitting on one side. So the new 4th generation Echo Dot shares the new spherical design of its larger sibling, just on a smaller scale. I feel it is a little bit heavy as soon as I hold it, but manageable, as it will be mostly sitting on a table unlike a mobile in a hand. So let's keep it aside and see what else are present inside the box. So we have some of the user manuals showing the exclusive features of the device, how to set up your Echo device and how to connect it to a smartphone application, etc. And the final one is the power adapter, which is the most important component of any electronic device. This charging brick gives power to your device with an output of 15 watts. It doesn't have any fast charging capabilities, and this is a normal power supply brick. It has a long wire which is sufficient in most of the cases, and the charger color is pure white. I think that's our overall contents of the box. We have the Alexa device with the power adapter inside. So let's see the physical overview of the device, followed by setting it up and playing around with the Alexa through some commands. Guys, this is the new Amazon Alexa 4th generation Echo Dot. The most obvious update here is the Echo Dot's new shape. Just like the full-size Echo, the new Dot is shaped like a ball, which is pretty interesting and innovative. And at the first time, Amazon released Alexa devices in new ball shape where all the previous devices are cylindrical. Also, this is not a complete sphere too. It has a flat bottom and a rubber attached to it that prevents it from rolling off a shelf. Obviously, it will be placed on a table or a floor because it's not a mobile phone to hold it on the hand all the time. So on the top, the device is covered with the speaker grill, which occupies around 70% of the surface space, with the bottom hemisphere a matte plastic. At about 3.5 inches tall, it's about the size of a softball. On the matte finish, we have two ports. One is the power port for powering up the device using the power adapter provided inside the box, and the other one is a 3.5mm jack port through which you can connect this Alexa to earphones or even to external speakers. So on this speaker grill, the device has 4 buttons. The plus and minus are used to increase and decrease the volume coming out of this device. The bottom one is a mute button to mute the device playing out any sound. And the top button is a mic mute button. When pressed, Alexa won't hear any of your commands. So that's pretty much about the physical overview with just 2 buttons and 2 ports. So let's go and connect it to the power to play it with... Oh, I forgot one thing guys. That there is a ring kind of light on the bottom which glows when Alexa is powered up and displays different lights depending upon the situation. So guys, I am ready with this device and the adapter provided to power up this device. So let's connect it to the power and then have a little chat with Alexa. So connect the adapter to the power and the other side of the Alexa and switch down the power. So let's do this. So for this Alexa to work, you need to do a little setup in your mobile device by installing Amazon Alexa application, which I already did. I'm not going to show the setup in my device, and will try to do a separate video on how to set up Alexa with your Android phone for the first time. And as soon as I power it, the power is pumped up and Alexa wakes up and shows us the beautiful light at the bottom circling, indicating that Alexa is being set up and will be ready in a few minutes. Okay, Alexa is getting set up, and when this light turns yellow, it means that Alexa is ready to accept your commands and up. So since it is a clocked version, I think it will show something like a hello message or a clock on the speaker grill once it is powered up. Yeah, you can see the hello message during the startup, and the clock will be displayed once the setup is finished. So once the device is set up and ready, the bottom ring starts blinking in yellow light, indicating Alexa is ready and is listening to your commands. You just say Alexa and it will show blue color, which means it woke up, ready to accept your commands, process it, and give reply to your question. Alexa. Yeah, as you can see here, it is glowing in blue color and it is ready to accept your commands, process it, and give you the reply. Also, if you change the volume levels using the volume buttons provided on the top of the device, the relevant volume level, it may be either increment or decrement from the previous level, will be shown on the speaker grill display, which is one of the best advantage of having an Alexa device with inbuilt display. So this functionality will work when we increase or decrease the output volume of the device. And coming to the mute button, if you press it once, the button itself shows red color, as well as the bottom ring also turns or starts blinking in red color instead of yellow, indicating that Alexa is now muted. You give whatever command now, Alexa will not be able to recognize or hear you. Alexa, Alexa, see, it's not able to hear you. So let's try unmute it and try once more with the same Alexa command. So let me unmute this using the same button. So as soon as I press the unmute button, the bottom ring light turns to yellow from red and ready to accept the commands which we speak now. Alexa, Alexa, see, it recognized. So it means it is ready to accept our commands. And the last button is the mute button, which can be used to mute voice coming out of Alexa whenever you are playing some song using it. So that's all about the physical buttons demo, and now let's move to the fun part of saying some commands to Alexa and see how it responds. Let's go!
Okay guys, so it's time to play with Alexa, and let's have some Q&A session with Alexa. See, as soon as I say Alexa, it got activated. Stop. Okay, it's in ready position. Now let's start with the basic question. Alexa, how are you?
I have been keeping my spirits up, thanks to some cheerful stories. If you want to hear them too, just say, give me some happy news.
Okay, that was good. That is a good start. And let's ask what is the current time. Okay, Alexa, what's the current time?
In Nursara Fate, it's 3:28 p.m.
Okay, along with the current time, it also said the current location. Okay. Okay, Alexa, what's the current weather?
Right now in Nursara Fate, it's 27 degrees Celsius with showers.
As soon as it
Throughout the
says
day, you
current
can
weather,
expect
it also
more of the
displays
same,
it.
with a high of 30 degrees and a low of 21 degrees. Don't let the raindrops fall on your head.
Okay, so it also gives us suggestions on what to do in case of a rainy season. And if you observe along with speaking the current weather, it also displays it on the display if you have a display enabled Alexa. Okay, let's give it a task. Okay, Alexa, count me 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, that was good. So let's ask it what's his name. Okay, Alexa, what's your name?
Are you trying to be Jay from Sholay? But I'm not Basanti. The name is Alexa.
Okay, it has some humor inside it. Instead of directly saying his name, he said some stuff. Okay, that was good. So, Alexa. So it can also say some happy birthday wishes to someone you love or someone. Let's ask to say happy birthday to any one of the person. Let's say David. Okay, Alexa,
say happy birthday to David.
Happy birthday, David.
Okay, that was good. And Alexa, are you married?
I'm happily single.
Okay, it's happily single. Okay, one last question. Alexa, I love you.
Aw, you people sure know how to make a girl feel special.
Okay, it didn't say anything. Let's ask it again. Alexa, do you love me?
There are people I admire and things I can't do without, but I'm still trying to figure out human love.
Okay, that was fun. Okay, so that's all about the questions, fun Q&A with Alexa. So that's all for today, guys. We reached the end of the video and hope you guys loved this beautiful video about the new Alexa. So please share your thoughts about the new 4th generation Alexa device in the comment sections below. Also, last but not least, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest video updates right into your inbox. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.